The goal of our project is to create an interactive video game capable of administering personality and behavior assessments through gameplay for use in job application screening, research, consultation, and team building. According to a survey from the Society for Human Resource Management and Mercer, 67% of HR professionals are using personality tests and pre-employment testing to vet candidates in the hiring process. But the use of a simple standardized written test during job applications is not capable of achieving the most accurate results, as the test taker could alter their answers to seem more appealing to their audience. This is referred to as the Hawthorne effect. By creating a game that not only subtly measures traits of the player, but also allows the administrator to alter the game to test for specific traits, we believe more accurate results can be collected. Our game will consist of several different arcade-style modules. The game will present many decisions that the player can make, each corresponding to different traits specified by the administrator. This way, it will be less obvious for the user to figure out what game elements map onto each personality trait, thus minimizing the Hawthorne effect. We've created a sample module that shows how these gaming elements will assess problem-solving skills and hexaco personality traits, which is a personality inventory that encompasses the 6 dimensions of personality. As mentioned, our game will have modules that will allow recruiters to customize the game based on the personality traits they want to assess. In order to do this, our game will be embedded in a website, which will have a dashboard for both the recruiter and the applicant. In the recruiter's dashboard, they can see their custom modules and potential employees' results. In the player's dashboard, they can see the assessments they have to take from each company and their results. By having customized dashboards, we customize the experience for each user type. The back end of the system will likely be written partially in JavaScript and Python. There will be 3 primary components to this: the user client, the administrator client, and the central server. The way we manage and transport our data will be with a federated design. This means that instead of having a single central server or multiple decentralized independent servers, we will use a hybridized approach. Each administrator will have their own semi-autonomous server, but it will still link to a central server in order to send data to users. Our assessment will be built with Unity, a flexible game engine that excels with 2D games. The entity component nature of Unity game objects mean it will be easy to generalize, extend, and modify each game module, which is essential for designing custom assessments. All the configuration data will be stored in JSON, meaning modifications can be made easily just by editing the file. Our team is uniquely equipped to tackle the diverse features of this project, including game design and development, backend and data flow, framework, user interface design and testing, and psychology. While every team member is passionate about playing and creating video games, several of our team members have interned at game companies, and one of our team members is city trained and has conducted research to monitor changes in brain activity in response to gameplay. We hope that our project will transform the recruitment process for job applications, as well as team formation and dynamics within schools, organizations, and companies. Gamifying mundane activities such as personality surveys will make personality testing more accessible, specifically to younger audiences and vulnerable populations. We hope that, with the customizability of the system, and as much more research is completed within the various fields, our project can be used for more accessible diagnostic testing, perhaps in the fields of neuroscience, behavioral, and social psychology.